The first and foremost was the accessibility, the location, the brand of Tata, and the fact that it was so centrally located.
Trill campus is literally in the heart of the city. It's so convenient for all the employees. Eventually, it helps in their work-life balance. That's why I would want to call it as the competitive edge. This has been tastefully done and it's designed so well, and it has such a brawling campus. It's a visual treat.
What for me really makes this a special place is the little touches of nature and beauty that they've kind of built into this place of a concrete encasement of something really bustling with life inside.
We're very happy with the safety and security. Before the employee comes to us, there's 2 levels of security they have to cross. But the kind of project that we work requires some kind of security like that, physical security. We are very happy with that part.
Whenever we recruit our staff, if we tell them that they are going to be placed in Trill, they are quite happy to come and work here.
Thrive Digital was just a startup. We wanted to partner with somebody that had a slightly bigger brand than ourselves. And both the Tata Group as well as the Ramanujan IT City gave us that leverage.
Tatas are known for their own loyalty, their own transparency, integrity, and honesty.
So attrition is one of the major concerns for any company. The Ramanujam IT Park plays a very, very major role in that, because once they come here, if they're going for interview outside, first of all, even before the company dices, they just compare the tech park to tech park and they don't want to enter. It's one of the fantastic selling point for us in terms of retaining the employees and retaining the clients also.
Trill is the gateway of OMR. In my previous stint, actually, I used to travel 1.5 hours. Now I'm traveling only 40 minutes. My family is very happy now.
My passion is biking. I have created a group over here specifically for bikers, and we travel every year most of the places across North India.
There are so many recreational and sporting provisions available in the campus like tennis, volleyball. I think that's something very, very good.
You know how hot Chennai is? I live 20 minutes away from this place and I come to work by walk. By the time I reach here, I'm like all wet, dripping in sweat. But the moment I enter Ramanujan IT City, the long walking stretch and the breeze that hits you, you just feel like you're on a holiday relaxing by the beach. I think Ramanujan IT City is a wonderful place to work.
What stood out for me with the Tata Group here and with Ramanujan IT City was the sky bridge or the walkover bridge from the railway station to the campus is something that really caught my attention. It's not something that the Tata Group had to do, but it is something that they worked with the government, the authorities, and tried to make it happen and create a safe environment for our employees. Gives me the comfort and the confidence that I'm working with a partner who puts safety and security above profits. And that, from a business ethics perspective, to me, is the biggest differentiator from an amenities perspective.
I've been working in Ramanujam IT City for the last 3.5 years. So the admin team of Ramanujam IT City has been gracious enough to offer me space to set up stalls for one of the NGOs I volunteer for. Through this initiative, we are able to reach out to a lot of individuals. So this way, I also personally feel that Ramanujam IT City is also helping a lot of NGOs like us.
And the other point is the Central Park, where people can hang out after the work. As a team, they can spend some time in the cricket field. They can spend some time in the badminton field. So those are 2 things that really make a difference for our employees.
There are some times when I don't really have the time to go out and enjoy the facilities, but when I look out from my window, there's constantly some activity there. The kind of entertainment they organize for us, we even have a movie night occasionally. So all in all, it's a great place to belong and makes me feel safe as a woman. It's one of the safest work environments one can belong to at this point of time.
I'm a mother of 2-year-old son. My son's name is Krish. So I have enrolled Krish in the daycare school in Ramanujam IT City. So that helps me take frequent visit during work to look after my son and feed him, and that is the best thing Ramanujam IT City can offer.
Sometimes it gets late at my work and I feel very safe and secure to reach my home back.
December 2016, in Chennai there was a heavy rain, because of which there was a heavy flood. We had 4 offices other than Trill campus, and I would say in all the other 4 offices our work has come to a standstill. But in the case of Trill, it was 24/7 days. It was continuously running.
Typically, when we look at employees, their day-to-day responsibilities at home includes, buying things, grocery stores, banking, gym facilities. We have gift shops, food courts, short eats, open round the clock, multi-layered, ample parking facility. We have medical facilities within the facility. We have on a standby ambulance available throughout the day. We have specialists who can address to the emergency situations immediately. These are the key major aspects that I look at it when it comes to employee experience, and Trill has done a phenomenal job.
It's a nice park, it's a nice view also from the windows. People have been really friendly on the campus. The food is nice, there's a lot of variety, and there's lots of things to try, especially for foreigners.
All of us are looking forward towards the commissioning of this new service apartment and the Vivanta by Taj Hotel. So that's going to be a big plus for this campus.
We are also very excited to see the auditorium which is coming up. It will be very helpful for conducting our own welfare programs.
Almost all the clients which we have, they like to be part of this IT park because of the compliance-free nature.
If you really want to grow further, I doubt I don't have any other facility equivalent to Tata in Chennai right now. We are looking for a similar Trill somewhere else.
So normally employees take vacation and go to some 5-star facility or a resort. I would probably say this facility is like a resort. Ramanujan IT City or the Trill as a facility provider, I would say they are a business partner for us.
True to its theme, Ramanujan IT City, Trill has explored infinity and beyond.
The campus offers best facility to a working mother.
They have never hit a ceiling. The sky is not the limit for them. They keep improving themselves, adding more facilities each and every year and providing a better experience.
We are 100% sure when a client visits here, we are winning all the clients, whoever visits us.
It's a world-class fraternity to belong to.
Sure, at the moment we walked into the place, we knew that we had arrived.
I think life here is like top class. It's bindas.